A quick rump about setup and tune an SOC for home labbing and professional setup. Sorry for the grammar misspell, I do it quickly. So who am I? I'm Erwan Cordier, aka BRL Corridor. I'm a freelance for industrial control safety and cyber physical system auditor and pen tester. So here my view on the SOC. You have multiple issues. The first one is that you have proprietary protocol that is not really integrated in the modern CM. So the idea is to standardize some specific behavior about this protocol. So you have raw packets with custom protocol. You can make the detection if you can write some specific alert to it. When you standardize the alert, like with Suricata, you can put it directly in a CM. So the objective here is to standardize the custom protocol, and after that you can put it in your SOC. So the CISA, for a long time now, made a project that is called ICS NPP for Industrial Control System Network Protocol Path that is written in ZIC, and the objective is exactly that. With that, they have put together a bundle of tools that is called altogether Malcolm ICS. The objective here is to take pickup data from industrial power plants with custom protocol. You can put Suricata rule on that, and with the custom protocol parser with ZIC, you can directly define behavior. Filebit will give some more context to it, and we'll put them in an open search. With that, an analyst can query data from the network industrial protocol, and you can put some custom protocol directly in it. You can scale up. Here you can have an example of how we can set up a big infrastructure with Malcolm. They have the hedgehog sensor. That is the idea to dissect the protocol, add custom data, and directly with Logstash and Filebit, put them in the open search that is stored in Malcolm. You have here an example of Malcolm deployed in solar power plant in several places in the US. So it's a good example how to scale up Malcolm without using a proprietary protocol. The objective behind that is because the request from the private and public sector in the US is very big, and even the private sector can even follow up with the demand. So here the dashboard with OpenSearch. It's a custom, it's a standard OpenSearch dashboard. In the bottom left, you can see ICS OT protocol, and this is the implementation of custom protocol from the ZigBee sector. We're going to take an example. There is several Nmap NSO scripts that can request directly with this custom protocol on the PLC, on the automat, for doing industrial power plant stuff. You have that, and you have also Nuclei for detection purpose with those protocols. So you can't really have detection purpose on standard CM or NDR detection because they don't handle that. So some few can do, but majority do not. So after that, the Suricata rule that you can put on your custom will show on your open search dashboard, and with that you can query some custom behavior. After that, you can bundle behavior to define the overview of the detector rule and the log type and the correlation behavior directly on OpenSearch. So, for example, if I'm a bad actor, I recon the PLC and I recall this with some proprietary protocol. You can bundle Suricata rules directly to see me, and that's pretty cool. And after that, you can the Filebit and the Logstash can directly be put with other CM. This is open source because it's open source, but you can do it on Splunk and other CM. This is my test bed when I test my equipment. You have PLC on the left with a network tap for network duplication, because this is very important to not touch on the network data and not disrupt the power plant or the production plan. You can see Hedgehog connected with Malcolm sensor, and after that you can see directly the production and the IT part. If you want a deep dive, I have made a 6-part series on how to set up that. I really encourage you to read that one. Thank you for this one.